Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Ford Kuga Titanium, stock reference number 4903. This shape runs from the 11th month 2011 through to the 11th month 2012. It has a HYDC 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. HYDC 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, climate control type, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.